What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today I'm just going to be doing a rundown of the mill of the 350Z, giving you guys a couple test drives on the car. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and put your notifications on to see when I post, because I've been trying to post as much as possible. I've posted like 2 times this week. I'm gonna try to post today, actually, in a couple of hours. I'll be trying to get some GoPro footage as well, so I hope you guys enjoy what we have in store for today. And it's kind of chilly, so I wanted to go ahead and start up the car. It's already been warmed up a little bit, so yeah. Trying to figure out, it's very, very cold out. Go ahead and get this started up. As you can see right there, got a little light. Nice little light popping up. We're gonna try to get that deleted today. Well, I started the car about an hour ago and it's just dead cold, so we're just gonna wait. It is raining, and man, I just don't understand, bro. Just don't understand. Raining horrible out here. But I gotta go get some gas. Gas station's like way over there, but we'll be alright. It's not like I'm on E or anything, right? Alright, at the QT. Premium looking pretty decent right now, 269. Let's go ahead and get us some gas, man. Get us some gas, man. So underwhelming right now. In some serious poopy traffic. No, I'm not. You almost had it. Gotta be quicker than that. Alright, so we got new cookie right now. Just to go up. Gotta do a little test run pull. Hope I don't spin. It's raining. I don't know if y'all can hear anything I just said, but it's raining. Let's do a little test pull. Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! They all got scared. Right there. Driving this, bro, I promise y'all, it's the greatest thing ever. Tune, brother, tune make a difference. I don't care what nobody say. Tune make a difference. Get the fuck? At Z1 Motor Parts, well, Motorsports, I don't know why I said that, but I tried to go ahead and go pick up the parts. Got a couple people here. Bunch of nice C's. Alright, got my parts from Z1. Let me get that pack up here. Nice OEM stuff right here. We'll unbox it when we get to Terrence's shop and put them on. We'll put this one on. It was $157 with tax, full paid. Well, good money spent. That's all I can say. This nice little packet here is that nice little sensor that we're gonna put on the car. It doesn't look like it'll be too hard of an install though. I hope not. So yeah, I'm about to put this in my mouth, so I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying. But I wish I could show you all of them. There's a lot of cops around here, especially in the Carrollton area, and I'd rather not get in trouble. So, yeah. Got a lot going on here. I showed you guys earlier that the buttons you have to press from frame map, you go down, hold this, and press cancel twice. Launch control while driving would be you pressing the gas at the same time as pressing cancel, and then letting go whenever you're ready to launch. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. I can do it now in a couple seconds and forth. I'm not gonna really launch though. So pretty much like that. not feel good though. And went ahead and got some food. Sonic. Yep. Light green. There we go. We ain't that far. I'm hungry. It wasn't free or cheap. Alright, I didn't get to record us doing the O2 sensor, but it's pretty simple. Well, it is pretty simple. It's just one bolt, 121 21 mil across. Then you have to unclamp it at the top of the motor, and then it comes right out. If you want more in depth, there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube on how to do it. I honestly just wanted to get it over with and finish it off so I can get the rest of my day, and yeah, pretty much close out this video. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been trying to make different content, as you can see, with the GoPro and stuff. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, what I should improve on, and things of that nature. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.